explaining you what he will do. He was able to reason about that, showing you the plan, and asking you to proceed. And you've seen we have started to put some buttons inside Leo that instead of typing text, you can say, okay, proceed, cancel, and we are going to improve this user experience. Like when it's simpler to put a button, you have 3 or 4 options. It will really be not only textual. Somehow the user experience will be a mix of clicks, talk, and interact with the 3D. So here, as you see, it was able to run the simulation. And so again, we are in the classic Simulia simulation that is run here. It was able to generate automatically the finite element model and to start to run the simulation and extract the result. Of course, it's a simple simulation, meaning that you don't have to put some loads and advanced things. This is the first one we have been working on with a Simulia team together. But this is just the beginning. We are able to do modal analysis. The next step would be to say, okay, on this part, how can I put the right loads automatically, and then I will be able to do a full structural analysis. But really here is to show you that this is really becoming a mod sim environment where modeling and simulation can interact together through natural language.
So now let's switch back to the requirements we are working on at the beginning of the session. So if we go to this analysis and analyzing the vibration modes, initial requirement was to have first elastic mode at least to 150. So let's see what needs to be done there. What Leo can suggest in terms of design to reach this value.
And here we have recommendations. So I see that the sheet metal part is probably not the best one for my requirement. So let's. I'm asking if I need to do a thicker one, and then obviously I have some recommendation. You see, if I increase the section, I have a better stiffness, etc., etc., etc. But in my case, I want to. I already have a new model. Can I show you my new potential design?
So more and more we are going to move from textual recommendation to be able to perform actions. But here something very cool is that you ask Leo, can I show you another design? He say, yes, of course, be my guest. And you show him this new design and saying, okay, this one is the content I want to extend. He will have the entire history of what has been done before. And so he knows that to analyze this design, he will have to perform the exact plan that he did from the previous part. No need to explain it to him again.
Modal analysis.
Well, that was supposed to work. But the idea here is that you really have the entire history and he's supposed to act on that. So here, he did not understand, he asked you to open the model. So that's the kind of things we are converging right now. But the idea is when he will be able to perform the model analysis on this part as well, he will also be able to compare between the two. Okay, so I think we have a little hiccup. That happens.
That happens.
I told you. Can you launch it again?
One last time. So, let's see if I do that.